This is how you can realistically make $100 per day with the One Funnel Away Challenge. And all you have to do is just a reminder to check out the first link in my bio because I show you the fastest and easiest way to make money online. There are literally thousands taking advantage of this system, and many are earning their first commissions faster than I have ever seen before. Make sure to check it out.
Welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe because I talk everything about affiliate marketing, digital marketing, copywriting, funnel building, all these different things that can help you make an income online. Now today we're going to be talking about 3 ways that you can make money through taking the One Funnel Away Challenge. This program, if you haven't seen any of my other videos, is 30 days. It's an educational program teaching you how to make funnels. What is a funnel? It's like basically a better converting website that takes someone through the sales process. So they talk about the belief system. We'll talk about failure. They talk about offers for the funnel. Talk about sequencing. They talk about how to create it. Talk about publishing or making content. Talk about your story. They talk about hooks. They talk about the core funnel strategies, the squeeze pages, the one-time offers, the members area. So everything that you need to know about funnels, here it is. Anyways, now today I wanted to go over 3 ways that you can make money through this challenge, okay? So after you take the One Funnel Away Challenge, you can actually become an affiliate. What is an affiliate? If you guys are new to affiliate marketing, it's basically promoting other people's products and services. So, for example, I'm an affiliate for this course, and it's one of the best courses I've taken, and I recommend it to you. Right? It's $100. So, the cool thing about the One Funnel Away Challenge, actually, it's kind of interesting compared to most, is that it costs $100, and ClickFunnels actually gives the entire $100 to the affiliate, which is I've never really heard of. It's 100% commission. And so after you take the challenge, you can literally promote it as well. Once you learn all these skills, you can teach them and then say, hey, I learned all these skills from this course. And they give you a lot of cool different opportunities for promoting it. And they give you, all these things. If you want to pay ads for it, you can. But what's really interesting is, like I told you in a previous video, the whole purpose of One Funnel Away Challenge is to educate the customer about what is ClickFunnels. They're not actually looking for thousands and thousands of dollars for all that information that they're giving, which they probably could, but it only costs $100, and then the $100 goes to the affiliate. So every time that after you take the challenge, every time that someone clicks through your link, you get paid $100. It's pretty cool. Well, not clicks, but once they purchase, right? Now, so that's the first one. You can become an affiliate for it. The second one is you can actually, once you learn how to create funnels, once you see how to make good ones, you can actually create funnels for people. Now, what do I mean by that? It's like you can become a freelance digital marketer. And so if you go to 2 websites, one of them is called Fiverr, Fiverr. You can literally come up here to this little search thing, and you can put funnel building, right? Funnel building. And so you'll see all these different people. They can make Shopify sales funnels. This guy's a ClickFunnels specialist, and he charges quite a bit of money. He charges $245 at the lowest. This guy will make your sales funnel for $45, $155. This guy will do it for just $10. And so you can see a lot of people are making good money from this. This person has already had 232 gigs, 33 gigs, 63, 133. So these people are literally just, they learn everything they need to know from here, and then they go and sell their knowledge basically, and they create funnels for people. And so you can kind of see that, it's pretty endless. There's 161, 123, 116. And you can kind of see that it might not be instantaneous where you get all these gigs, but once you start getting some good reviews, people will pay you $100 or more to set this up, and you only need to make a couple, maybe 10 or 20 funnels. If it's 100, if you're this guy, if you make 5 funnels a month, you're already making $2,500. So the other thing is, during this challenge, you learn a lot about copywriting. This guy right here, his name is Jim Edwards. He is awesome. He talks about copywriting, and he actually created one of my favorite copywriting books that I'll actually make more content about later. But this one's called Copywriting Secrets, and it has, you can see Jim on there, right? But he is a mastermind at using the power of words, basically to get people to do something. So whether it's click on it, whether it's purchase, that's all called copywriting. And so you'll learn tons of that in this challenge. And so what you can do again is go to Fiverr. If you go to Fiverr and you put in copywriting, you can see what comes up. 195 for this lady. It's $5 right here. For that one's a little bit less. 195, 155, 35. So engaging website copywriting, 75. All these people learn this skill of how to convert, right? And use this skill to get people to get leads or to get sales, to get people to do something, to subscribe even. Then if you come over here to Upwork, it's the same thing. Upwork, you can just put in copywriting. This person gets paid $100 an hour, $57 an hour, $60 an hour, $49 an hour. You know, it takes a little bit of time to, like, these people have earned $30,000 total, $3,000, $30,000, $20,000. So it's not just, you know, these guys, once they get into this range where it's $200,000 earned, they're pretty good professionals, right? But you can start like on a lower pace, right? You don't have to charge $175 an hour. You can start, let's see if we can find anyone who's a little bit lower, right? You can start doing it for $20 an hour or $30 an hour and take your time and make good converting copy. And then all of a sudden you can start charging more and more. Look, this girl looks pretty young. She's already earned over $10,000. She charges $65 an hour. So copywriting is a huge skill that I'll be talking a lot more later on about on my channel. I'll be making quite a bit more content about that. But as you can see, just some of these skills that you learn from a $100 challenge translates to the real world. And so that's one really neat thing. So those are the 3 skills. Becoming an affiliate, earning $100 a day if you get one person to sign up. You know, that's a great goal. You can make content on TikTok, on Instagram, on blogs. You can make content on Facebook saying, hey, you want to learn funnels, you want to learn how to copyright, you know, sign up for this. This one right here, you can create people's funnels for them, make, you know, $50, $100, $150 over time as a freelance, and also writing copy for people. These are skills that will literally take you above and beyond to the next level. So those are 3 quick ways that you can make money from the One Funnel Away Challenge. If you guys have questions, leave questions down below. The link to the training is down there below as well. Make sure you jump on that. I also have my free affiliate marketing training down there for you as well. My Facebook group, you guys can join. Obviously, subscribe to this channel as I'm going to help you on your journey to making your money online. Thanks so much. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.